from New York can rap in Hawaii. Shit.
No bullshit. You niggas got the diamonds on out here, nigga. We out here just doing what we do casually, nigga. Yeah, nigga.
Listen, just go. Yeah.
Man, it's some big ass. Hold on, we wearing cash now. It's boulders over here now.
It's a little
boulder
different.
season here. It's a little different. It's
Hold on, ain't no little boy shit in the building.
Yeah, ain't no little boy shit. But yeah, nigga, I'm in the motherfucking mountains, nigga. What? Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, Junior, tell him I might just be your uncle, but I'm dripping a little bit too now.
Oh yeah,
tell him I'm dripping a little bit out here too now.
Hold on. That boy.
Yeah. Hey, I'm dripping a little bit out here too now.
As he should be. You got the big medallion on there.
Yeah, we all dripping in Hawaii.
As you're supposed to.
We need some more ETs now.
You gonna come back to the phone? You want to say what's up to you?
Yeah, I know who I am.
He knows. I didn't know. I'm sorry. Can I take a selfie with you?
Yes, you can. Oh, let me find out I got Hawaiian fans. It's going down.
I got it. I'm gonna just selfie.
Oh, you have beautiful, nice hair and skin. Oh, they Samoan.
Yeah, he's like, how the fuck do you not know who that is? He listens to you every day.
For real?
Every day.
Oh, I'm living in Hawaii, nigga.
Fans in Hawaii.
You heard her. She said he listened to me every day. You heard her. Can you tell me?
Hi.
How you doing?
She said he listens to me every day in Hawaii. What type of shit is that?
Motherfucking day, every morning, every night.
I'm the go. I'm the go. I'm the go, nigga. Do you got fans in Hawaii, nigga?
I ain't never had none in Hawaii, man.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm finna go to the show, y'all ass. Hello?
Come pick a nigga up, bitch. Where y'all at?
You know, I'm finna pick you up, bro.
How far the rental car, how far Hershey is from right here? I'm finna go get another one.
Well, that hoe.
I had left my
told you the first day we needed two of them bitches.
I left my license. They wouldn't let me do it with my ID. They told me they need a hard copy, but I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to call the manager or something that they can do it. Because I got one and I'm in the system. I just accidentally grabbed the wrong one. I grabbed my ID. So they wouldn't let us get two.
Man, well, what I need to do? Bring the bitch up there or what?
Nah, where y'all at?
I'm on the horse. They doing the horse shit.
Oh, no, ride your horses, bitch.
You know, I'm on some players. I'm really we go back to the volcano tonight.
Yeah, that's what we going to the volcano.
We volcanoes, but you see, they got these nice young ladies ready to go ride horses into the sunset.
Where your horse at? Where your horse at, Junior?
My horse is a motor vehicle, nigga. That's going back to the motherfucking volcano.
Man, you gotta ride one too, bro.
Yeah, bro, I'm from Texas. You know how long we've been riding horses, bro?
Yeah, you ain't rode one in Hawaii. You gotta do everything you ain't done before. You gotta do it.
Is that what you're saying?
Huh?
Because my best friend is a Samoan who lives on this island.
Oh, yeah. I love to meet them. I want to meet everybody from the island. I'm trying to learn the real culture and be where the fire is. I'm trying to go.
A two-tire fire, rubber down.
Two-tire fire, rubber down.
Rubber down. And in Hawaii, we say run them hard.
Run them hard.
Got no orders from Hawaii.
If you go on that horse before he gets to play high.
Hawaii. You know we looking for talent in Hawaii too.
You dripped on me this morning, huh?
Man,
I thought you about to go get that big breakfast, man. That big boss breakfast.
Bro, I had to walk 2-3 miles to get to a charger, bro.
Bro, you it is. Bro, you was supposed to be with us, bro. I waited a whole 30-40 minutes from you. You 5 minutes down the street from the mansion. I waited out there an hour.
One thing about it, man, you dripping and ain't slipping, man. That's what it's about. You dripping
Fuck
and
all
ain't
that,
slipping.
bitch. You ocean view, ho. I told you, bitch. I ain't getting nothing weak, bitch. You ocean view. Ooh, we ain't doing no partial ocean, nothing.
Hey, bro, the jet skis right by my room. You walk out my door, and the jet skis right there. Just go on out there.
I can get on them all?
Hell yeah, nigga.
Oh, yeah, I'm coming to do that.
Yeah, you don't want to do shit. Nah, we ain't losing you out here, Julian.
Bitch, I'm
Last time
getting
I
up.
took you on jet skis, you come off in the middle of the ocean in the middle of the night.
That was the bitch
All
that
that
was
old
me.
shit. We ain't doing all that old shit no more. Hey, I can't explain to the
You
people
say
up top.
South what? South Body. Yeah, South Body, man. That's real, man. I'm finna talk to the people, man. You on my live. Tell them what's going down live from Hawaii, man.
Tell them aloha.
Aloha.
Man, let me hear some of that Hawaiian shit, man.
Olelo Hawaii mai kai.
You heard her? Aloha Wabai Makahi.
What a block at out here.
Yeah, man, we trying to come to the block, man.
What the hood is?
I'm trying to come to the Hawaiian hood and see what's good.
Hell yeah. You gotta hit up Oahu.
I'm hitting up Oahu. Where that shit? That's another island. That's another island. You gotta fly over there, huh? You can't drive to Oahu.
Hey, Green Goblin, you know who I'm talking to. You know, sometimes you gotta do a little simping in your pimping, man. You know.